in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us know. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a video, bro. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Luvme Hair. Today's unit goes by the name of Mature Bouncy Left C-Part Natural Glueless Minimalist Wig. This is what the unit is looking like online, and then this is how she's looking in person. In my opinion, what you see is exactly what you get. Now, I will say that like online, the picture online looks a little bit more fuller than what it looks like in person. It feels full, it just doesn't look as full. You know, the cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also has adjustable straps here in the back, and it also comes with a pre-attached security band that you can adjust. The lace base for this unit is a left side C-part with very small amount of hair along the hairline. They offer this unit in 2 different lengths of 10 and 12 inches. I received the 12-inch unit, and they also offer this unit in 2 different colors of a natural black, which I was so close to picking up, but instead I chose to do a little razzle dazzle and go with some color, and so I chose the ginger ombre. This unit does come with pre-cut lace, and it also comes styled with the curls already intact, so this is a very beginner friendly wig. Now, me being me, I'm gonna go in and brush this unit out and then like redefine the curls, but then again, I don't know, maybe I'll just go in and like comb the curls out or brush the curls out, probably comb the curls out to see if it gives me like the fullness and the volume that I'm looking for. And if it does, then like that'll be even better. But I don't know. Let's just go ahead and install her. We'll see. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Luvme Hair. Y'all, if I'm gonna be honest, I'm having like some mixed feelings about this one. It's like, I like her, but then it's like, do I like her? If you've ever watched any of my previous videos, then you know around this time I go in and I talk about like my cons and pros for the unit. I'm not gonna do it this time. This time I'm just gonna like talk about the unit. Now, the texture of this unit is very much so silky, but I will say that it holds a curl like really well. And speaking of the curls, on the website, to me, the curls look like they are a little bit looser and they're curled a little bit tighter with this unit, which then had me going back and forth in my mind on whether this unit was actually a 12-inch or if it was a 10-inch. I do think that this unit is a 12-inch unit. Again, I just feel like the curls are curled like a little bit tighter, but also what's making me think that it's 12-inch is like whenever I pull it, the hair goes down past my shoulders, which, I mean, if you guys know anything about units, especially curly units, they're gonna go off of when the unit is stretched out and not necessarily when it's curled up. Now, I will say I really like and appreciate how they ombre this unit. It goes from like this brownish reddish color, if you will, almost, I want to say it's a number 4, but I could be wrong, down to like obviously the ginger color, and it's done really well. Like I say this all the time whenever it comes to a unit being ombre, I do not like units that have like the harsh line of demarcations where it's like dark color, light color, like, oh, I just hate that. That just looks like cheap to me. This color job was done very well. Something that I didn't think I was gonna like about this unit, but to my surprise it actually worked out, was the fact that this unit, number 1, did not come with lace attached, and then number 2, the fact that on the hairline portion up here, it's so small. Although that portion is like really small, I still had enough space to go in and like kind of curve out the parting space on this unit. And then I did go in and take a little bit of hair and create like a baby hair, and that's just because, I don't know, I don't really like when hairlines are just straight across or give that moon shape. Like, to me, that just kind of screams wig. I feel like if you pull out a little bit of hair, and you don't have to pull out as much hair as I pulled out, I just wanted it to be like noticeable if there's like some type of dip curve or something in the hairline. I don't know, I just feel like pulling some type of hair out will help the unit look a little bit better, you know. Earlier I was speaking about the density of this unit and how I wasn't really sure if it was going to be very full. I will say me going in and using a paddle brush to brush out the curls helps the unit look full, but it's still very lightweight. I was thinking I was going to have to go in with either some dry shampoo or some hairspray to like fluff her up and make her bigger, but no, to my surprise, she's holding up pretty well. I don't think I showed this on camera, but this unit does hold heat very well, and I know that because I use this like airflow 2-in-1 curling wander thing. I don't know, I'll have it linked down below. And I used that to like recurl 2 pieces in the front just because I didn't like how it was laying at first. But yeah, I say all that to say that this unit does hold curls or hold heat very well. And I know somebody probably is out there thinking, girl, obviously it holds heat very well. It has curls in it right now. At times, if you put heat on a unit, it will change the integrity of the hair. So I just want to let y'all know that it's not going to do it with this one. Again, I don't really know what's making me feel like about the wig. Like, love the color, love the length, love the style. I don't know. If the color isn't your vibe, keep in mind that they do offer a black version of this as well. I'm pretty sure I mentioned that at the beginning of the video. And in my opinion, if the black version is anything like this one, which I'm sure it is, then that one would most definitely eat down. And I feel like that'd be perfect for like everyday wear. But I don't know. You guys let me know your thoughts and opinions about this unit down in the comment section below. And if you plan on picking up this unit or any other unit on Luvme Hair's website, go ahead and use my code Dotson, and that should save you, I want to say 28% off on their entire website. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.